How's it going, fellow traders? This is Magic Trader here, and we're going to go over the CFTC data that was reported on March 16, 2021. So let's start by taking a look at gold and what the positions were leading up until March 16. So the banks, profit taking on longs. We've known this for quite some time, and now they're at 256, still within demand. Do I think that price is going to rally from up here straight up? No, I don't think so. I think we're still going to be seeing more lows on gold. And then when they start to reaccumulate long positions, we'll see it loud and clear, and that will be a good indication for when we should start looking to get in long. But right now we got the coloration neutral, and that has gone from bullish to neutral, so it's not the time to be buying gold. Alright, it'll be the right time soon, but we gotta be patient. Now with respect to oil, we see that they closed off some longs profit taking as price was entering into supply, and that's one thing that we always teach at the school is where do banks take profits on long positions. They take profits on long positions when they hit supply, and lo and behold, supply was contacted and they're taking profits on long positions. Taking a look at shorts, they're not doing much. They hardly adjusted their positions. Long exposure drops 1 point, doesn't really tell us much. So what are we expecting? I think over time we're going to be seeing a larger drop in price, okay? And it might be providing some good opportunities to short. I'm not quite sure of that as of yet. I have not seen a chart signal to do that, so I will be watching this chart very closely. At the end of the day, in the near future, this is going to be a great long opportunity. Alright, so US dollar, we have price makes contact with supply, and that was after price was rallying. So we see an increase in longs 23 to 26, and take a look at this big decrease in short positions from 32,000 to 20,000. This puts net positions in the positive. Okay, we're going to see a common theme here when it comes to the dollar, and that is we're seeing evidence that's suggesting that price is going to continue up higher. Now we've already seen a nice rally up. We were expecting that as price was contacting demand. Price rallied up, and now it's heading towards supply. But you could see that the meat of the supply zone has not been contacted, and this is why we believe price is going to continue higher. So reducing shorts would be a good idea if price is going to continue higher. Aussie price dropped down into weekly demand. They reduced some of their longs, reduced some of their shorts, not much here. Coloration of the cells, neutral, slightly bullish, but you know, we have been rallying up for quite some time now. Hard to say what's going to take place. Very good chance that price drops, but we're still waiting for the chart signal to be produced on that. Eventually we can even get some counter trend trades. US CAD, this one paused. You know, with the weakness in oil, we could safely expect price to start rallying from these lows, and we can see as price was dropping, they increased longs, and they didn't do much with their shorts, and so net positions dropped slightly. Okay, but increasing longs, dollar pair. Okay, as we are seeing with the dollar. Next, we have the US dollar Swiss franc. Will we see again? Big drop in shorts in preparation for a move up? Potentially. Look where price is. Is there any supply here? No. Supply is higher up. So, very likely we see a continued move higher like that. Euro US dollar. The exact opposite of the dollar. demand has been contacted, but the meat of the monthly has not been. So very likely we see a push lower. They closed long positions over the last few weeks, 222, 207, 195. Closing longs. Very likely we see a further push down. Pound US dollar. Price hits supply. What do we say about supply? Institutions take profits. Okay? 68 to 65 to 61 to 55. Are we surprised? Not one bit. Because when you study the markets and you know what to expect and you know what price does, you know that when price, after a big rally, contacts supply, that's where the banks take profit. So they're taking profits on long positions. They're not accumulating. Could price drop further? Yes, I think there's evidence to suggest that that could happen. US dollar, Japanese yen, here's an interesting one. So we see a big rally in price took place. And now look at that. Longs very aggressive. Shorts automatically are very quickly have become very cooled off. Very, very cooled off. That suggests more upside. Same thing that we've been seeing with the dollar, right? Okay, so we're seeing the same theme here. Kiwi dollar, big drop in longs and slight drop in shorts. Price is contacting supply. Okay, so profit taking on long positions, slight drop. We might have some counter trend trades coming our way with that one as well. Alright, so there you have it. There's your CFTC report for the data that was recorded March 16, 2021. If you have any questions, you can reach us at www.whiteoakfx.com. Until then, have yourself a good one. Take care.